PB Aquatics. I'm Ricky, and this is my first video, and my first video is going to actually be an unboxing. So let's get right into it and see what we got going on here. I haven't opened the box yet, but I'm opening with you guys. I don't want to stab the bags, that would be bad. And I ordered these from a guy that I order a lot. His name is John Oliver. He's got some of the best guppies I've seen out there so far. So I like how he little protection there in case, you know, the mailman, they're not very smart sometimes. And it looks like everybody's doing good. It smells like fish in here. So let's get right into what we got here. This is full black Moscow pear, which I've already ordered before from the same person, but as we all know, sometimes fish come in sick and they didn't quite make it. So I ordered a trio the first time. One female lived, she had a bunch of fry. Now I ordered another pair to put with that one. So this one is gonna go outside here. We'll just float this right in here. Don't mind, you know, all this is going to be other upcoming videos and more content to come. Nice stand that I'm making here for a 155 bow front. But let's see what else we got. We got a pair of Santa Claus guppy juveniles. I don't know how good they come in. Are they coming in at all? Yeah. These are some juveniles I want to grow out. They're going to be future breeders. I just had one of my breeder females pass away a couple of days ago. These are going to go outside. And here, we'll let them float for a little while. These are some other Santa Claus guppies that I've had from my other female. These are the males, and these are the females, and the daddy's up here somewhere. Some little Santa Claus rack, as you can see. And here, oh, RLC Aquatics, you're gonna love this. Here I got some gold black lace trio. I don't see no fry in there. It would have been cool if I got some fry in here. But they do look pregnant. Let's see if they can they'll come through. They're kind of stressed out. These are actually going to stay in the house. These are going to go in here. Let them float for a while. Here's some babies that I've had. RLC, some of these are coming to you. Now, I do all this in a one-bedroom apartment, so you're going to see a lot of stuff. You know, I don't have an actual fish room. I'm making work what I have. So, give me a few and we'll come back and I'll show you me putting them in the actual tank and letting them loose. Alright, so now we're going to put them through the net. We don't want that old water going into our water. So we'll put them through the net and put them in where they're going to go. And it looks like he tied this pretty good and pretty tight, so I'm going to have to rip it. This is the full black Moscow. Like double back, really cool. Yeah, knotted the heck out of this. So you want to hold this, you want to pinch it, go upside down, let the fish get to the bottom, and then let them out. That way they don't get stuck. Look at that tail on that one. Oh, he's gorgeous. Go in there and make me some babies. Over here, we got the Santa Claus rack. Oh, these bags are good. Again, pinch it, let them fall to the bottom, and let them into the net. Oh, he's gorgeous. They're juveniles, but they're gorgeous. You're probably wondering why I keep them separate and I don't put them with the rest of the Santa Claus. It's because I'm trying to prevent inbreeding. So I'm trying to keep them 100% new blood so that now I can keep breeding and keep breeding and keep breeding. I'll get babies from them and I'll breed, you know, one of their males with one of my females, one of their females with one of my males, another female with this male, and that way I have a big breeding colony and I can keep breeding and breeding and breeding. Now we got the gold black lace. Man, these bags are really good bags. Like I need to start eating some more vitamins or something. There we go. Woo. Ooh, this bag really smells bad. This one smells really foul. When you get them out of there quick. One didn't make it. There you go. Let me see if I can't get him out. Come here, don't sink to the bottom. Come here. That must have been an extra that didn't quite make it. So here you can see. You can see they're in there. Beautiful fish. It's kind of messy. I kind of stirred it up. I got to get that cleaned up, but beautiful fish. Well, thanks for watching PB Aquatics, and like, subscribe, share. My wife said that if I get to at least 50 likes on this video, I can keep the 150 boat front tank and I don't have to sell it. So, thank you. Peace out.